Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operation of your Blixer. This video is suitable for Blixer 5, Blixer 5 2V, and Blixer 5 VV. Insert seal into lid. Insert bowl scraper into scraper arm. Insert lid scrapers into scraper arm. Insert scraper arm into lid, connect with handle. Push together and twist to lock. Place bowl on base and turn anti-clockwise. Insert blade. Place on lid, lug tab at front, turn anti-clockwise. Select the speed from 300 to 3,500 round per minute. On button. For one-speed models, speed 3,000 round per minute for 50 Hz machine and 3,600 round per minute for 60 Hz machine. For two speeds models, speed 1, 1,500 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 1,800 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. Speed 2, 3,000 round per minute for 50 Hz machine and 3,600 round per minute for 60 Hz machine. Use scraper arm during use. Off button. Pulse button. Controls timer function. Press on for counting upwards. Press plus and minus together to reset time. Select required time using plus and minus. Press on to start countdown. Watch next chapter for accessories.